a random variable x as the following distribution: x is equal to x 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. P of x is probability x is equal to xi 0k, 2k, 2k, 3k, k square, 2k square, 7k square plus k. Find k. Number 1, find k. Second, mean, and third, P of x lies between 0 to 5. We know that the sum of the probability sigma P of x is equal to xi is equal to 1. 0 plus k plus 2k plus 2k plus 3k plus k square plus 2k square plus 7k square plus k is equal to 1. That is equal to 10k square plus 9k is equal to 1. 10k square plus 9k minus 1 is equal to 0. 10k square plus 10k, 9k we can write as 10k minus k. 10k squared minus plus 10k square plus 10k minus k minus 1. So taking as 10k as common factor, 10k into k plus 1 minus 1 into k plus 1 is equal to 0. 10k minus 1 into k plus 1 is equal to 0, therefore k is equal to 1 by 10. So the value of k is equal to 1 by 10. Mean mu is equal to sigma I is equal to 1 to n xi, P of x is equal to xi. That is equal to 0 into 0, 1 into k, 2 into 2k, 3 into 2k, 4 into 3k, 5 into k square, plus 6 into 2k squared, plus 7 into 7k squared plus 1. So by simplifying we get 0 plus k plus 4k plus 6k plus 12k plus 5k squared plus 12k squared plus 49k squared plus 7k is equal to 66k squared plus 30k. So already the k value is 1 by 10 కాబట్టి k squared 1 by 100 అవుతుంది. 66 into 1 by 100 plus 30 into 1 by 10 is equal to 0.66 plus 3, 3.66. Now the value of P, while the value of x lies between 0 to 5. P of x is equal to 1, P of x is equal to 2, P of x is equal to 3, P of x is equal to 4. So that is equal to k plus 2k plus 2k plus 3k, that is equal to 8k. Since the value of k is equal to 1 by 10, 8 into 1 by 10, that is equal to 8 by 10, 4 by 5. Next sum, a random variable x has the range 0, 1, 2, and the probabilities are P of x is equal to 0, 3c cubed, P of x is equal to 1, 4c minus 10c squared, P of x is equal to 5c minus 1, where c is the constant. Find c. Number 2, P, while the x value lies between 0 to 3, 3, P, probability is being where the value of x lies between 0 to 2, and P of x less than 1. We know that mu sigma P of x is equal to xi is equal to 1. That is implies 3c cubed plus 4c minus 10c squared plus 5c minus 1 is equal to 1. And here so x is equal to 0, x is equal to 1, x is equal to 2. ఈ మూడు కంబైన్ చేసినట్లయితే 3c క్యూబ్, x is equal to 1, 4c minus 10c square, x is equal to 5c minus 1 is equal to 1 అవుతుంది. 3c cubed minus 10c squared plus 9c minus 1 is equal to 1. 3c cubed minus 10c squared plus 9c minus 1 when comes to left side becomes minus 1 minus minus 2. Here the sum of the coefficients is 3 minus 10 plus 9 minus 2. Hence 1 is the root of the every equation. By synthetic division we have 3 minus 1 minus 10, 9 minus 2, and keeping 0 below the 3 we get 3 plus 0 3, multiplied by 1 we get 3, while writing 3 below the minus 10 minus 7, minus 7 multiplied by 1 is minus 7, and 9 minus 7 is equal to 2, 2 multiplied by 1 is equal to 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. So the factors of 3c cubed minus 10c squared plus 9c minus 2 are c minus 1 into 3c squared minus 7c plus 2, and again factorizing 3c squared minus 7c plus 2 we get c minus 1 into c minus 2 into 3c minus 1. Now 3c cubed minus 10c squared plus 9c minus 2 is equal to 0. That is equal to c minus 1 into c minus 2 into 3c minus 1 is equal to 0. C is equal to 1, 2, 3. If c is equal to 1, P of x is equal to 0 is 3c cubed, that is 3 into 1 cubed, 3 greater than 1, which is impossible. If c is equal to 2, 3c cubed is equal to 3 into 2 cubed, that is 21 greater than 1, which is also impossible. So c is equal to 1 by 3 is the only possible value. P of x 0 to 3 is P of x is equal to 1, P of x is equal to 2, that is equal to 4c minus 10c squared plus 5c minus 1. So 9c minus 10c squared minus 1, 9 into 1 by 3 minus 10 into 1 by 3 squared minus 1. So 9 by 3 minus 10 by 9 minus 1. 3 minus 9 by 10 by 9 minus 1, that is equal to 2 minus 10 by 9, that is 8 by 9. P x value lies between 0 to 2, P of x is equal to 2. ఇక్కడ x వాల్యూ 0 కంటే సమానము లేదా తక్కువ అంటే x is equal to 2 తీసుకుంటాం మనం. దట్ ఈక్వల్ 5c minus 1. c is 1 by 3 కాబట్టి 5 into 1 by 3 minus 1, that is equal to 5 by 3 minus 1, 2 by 3. P x less than 1 అంటే we have to take P of x is equal to 0, that is equal to 3c cubed, 3 into 1 by 3 whole cube, that is 3 into 1 by 27, that is equal to 1 by 9.